Hey guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to be retarded. Will make your avatar retarded. So firstly, you see my avatar, he's looking alright, better than what he's gonna be like in soon. So firstly, you wanna head over to body, and then all these. So face. I start off with face. Let's just start with check it, because no one uses that. Alright, head. Head is like everyone knows that the most annoying one is the blockhead. Who wants to wear that? Next, you want to go to torsos, and you want to go to this one right here. Any of this. I go this one, and then I'll go left arms, and then I'll go Roblox 2.0. See, look at my character. Like, do you see this man's whole career? I might do that. So yeah, you're gonna go to the right arms and left arms and set them to that, and then left legs. So I set it to man left leg, which everyone of you should have. Next, you want to go left leg. And right leg. I'm gonna go that one right there. Alright, now onto the hat. So I use the black fur cap. We're just gonna be retarded. Take that off. I'm gonna just pick the spring duck head. How is that looking? Oh, beautiful. Alright, next you want to go to the hair. It really doesn't matter with the hair at this point. I'm just gonna pick this hair, I guess. Next, you want to go to neck, or face, whatever you want. Face. I'm just gonna put those on because yeah. Neck. Just put that on, and then shoulders. So this stupid thing. Back, front and back. I don't really have any front and back because I don't use them. Alright, now we go to shirts and pants. Shirts, I have a lot of weird shirts that I can put on. I'm gonna put on, let me check. I'm gonna put that on, and then that one. Now I'll show you in game. I'll cut to the moment. I'm back, and here is my character. He's very autistic. I'm not gonna say that. He's very weird looking, and he looks really bad. And yeah, he looks just random. Like, I'll show you in a second when the screen loads. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you like and subscribe. And the next video that's coming is how to become a dinosaur. Yes, I will make a stupid word, dinosaur. Alright, so this is what my character looks like, boys. Oh shit. Cut to the point. I used to play this game when I was 12. Oh, stuffed up. Where? Here's my character, you see? He looks so cool. What the fuck is this shit? This game's retarded. Lol. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. My character is this because I can't show you because I joined this stupid game. Stupid game. This is my character. Right here, buddy. It's just loading a bit. It's a lot, mate. So be careful. Be careful. And here is my creation. Yeah, he's beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Also like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!